Life feels good, life feels great, life feels good, life feels great today. Life feels good, life feels great, life feels good, life feels great today.
Guys, alam niyo ba, may bago kaming pang-trip na ginagawa kay Kiko. Papakita namin sa inyo. Gawin mo, dali.
Oh no.
Kiko, tingnan mo! Tingnan mo yung labas! Ayun, no? Tingin ka dun sa labas. Wala naman pa.
Oh no!
Ba't dyan ka nakatingin? Hindi naman dyan yung tinitingnan natin. Good morning, guys. Grabe, I'm super excited. Kasi diba I've been documenting no last time na pumasa na nga ako dun sa citizenship exam. And finally, today is Feb 14. I know it's Valentine's, but also it's my oath-taking day. Yay! Wala lang, super exciting because it's been a long time talaga na process ko yung papers ko, and finally, today is the day na magiging citizen na ako. So anyway, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung outfit ko. Hawak ko yung jacket ko and shoes ko. Wait, let me change the battery lang because my camera is about to die. Hold on. Okay, and I'm back. Papakita ko na sa inyo. So I'm just wearing... Wait lang. Bitawan muna natin yung shoes and jacket. Pero papakita ko rin sa inyo na suot ko yun. So for my dress... Hindi masyado kita. Wait lang. Adjust natin yung camera. So guys, for my dress, ito yung dress ko. Ayan. And actually, suotin natin with shoes para mas feel na feel. Wait lang, pakita ko muna sa inyo close up. Ito yung shoes ko. I got this from Steve Madden. Tapos syempre heels siya. Suot lang natin. Ayan, mas kita. Anyway, ito yung shoes kapag suot. Tapos, ito yung jacket ko. It's just leather jacket. So, ganyan lang yung magiging tour niya. And then, I'm just gonna wear yung favorite bag natin. Ito lang siya. Tchanan! Parang yan yung pinaka-pop of color yung bag. Siyempre, sobrang pinaghandaan ko yung outfit ko today. As in, bumili talaga ako ng shoes, ng damit. Kasi isang beses lang naman magsi-citizenship sa talambuhay ko. Like Canadian citizenship. So, might as well, let's do all out for it. Anyway, guys, mamaya ibibigay ko kay Jam yung camera para ma-document namin yung oath-taking ko. So, yan. Para makita niyo rin.
Area if they need to leave during the ceremony. Now everyone, please turn off your phone volume and enjoy the ceremony. We are about to begin. This citizenship ceremony is now in session.
So happy to be here with you all at the Caribbean Community Cultural Center.
Welcome everyone to this ceremony. At this time, we invite all those in attendance here today to stand, raise their right hand, and repeat the oath if they wish. It is a demonstration of your commitment.
So here we go. Je jure que je serai fidèle et porterai sincère allégeance à Sa Majesté, le roi Charles III, roi du Canada, à ses héritiers et successeurs, que j'observerai fidèlement les lois du Canada, y compris la Constitution, qui reconnaît et confirme les droits ancestraux ou issus de traités des Premières Nations, des Inuits et des Métis, et que je remplirai loyalement mes obligations de citoyen canadien. There we go, you've done it!
You say you wanna make it happen. You know what I want. Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one.
Bowling naman ang pagganap namin today. Ay, ngayon pala. Ay.
I'm a flower and it bloom. I could shower you with love. You can keep the keys to your dreams. Say the magic word, you know I'm yours. This love is a fate of the boundaries. You took the words right out of my mouth. Just need a good.
Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody
Guys, tingnan niyo. Ang ganda tingnan ng box. Tapos, ayan yung mga natanggal ko so far. So, meron pa tayong mga at least 5 books na alisan natin ng cover.
it's dangerous. Factors will break your heart, 'cause she plays it so cool, making up.
Guys, finally, dumating na yung in-order ko from The Ordinary. Gusto ko na ipakita sa inyo. As usual, every time naman na may package ako, pinapakita ko sa inyo, di ba? So, buksan na natin. Huwag na tayo magpatagal at huwag na tayo maraming chit-chat pa. So, 3 items lang itong binili ko. So, you know, guys, the usual na Squalane cleanser. Ito yung lagi kong binibili. Since gumawa ko nung The Ordinary na vlog ko dati. Ayan. Favorite ko to. Sobrang ganda na to for removing makeup. And also, if you like to do face massages, ito. Perfect. So guys, yung last 2 items natin, medyo mahirap siya basahin. But this is called Argarline Solution, 10%. Dalawa siyang magkapareho lang because I wanna make sure na talagang makita ko yung magiging difference after using 2 bottles. Kasi usually kapag 1 bottle lang yung binibili ko na Ordinary Serum, ang bitin niya. Anyway, labas natin siya para makita natin kung ano itsura ng bottle. At saka gagamitin ko na rin to. So, might as well open it now. So, ganito lang yung itsura niya, guys. Clear bottle lang siya and clear lang rin yung nasa loob. And mukha siyang sobrang liquidy. Yeah. Ayan. Anyway, for my skin, guys, hindi kasi ako mahilig talaga mag-moisturizer because I've tried different moisturizers already and lagi lang ako nagbe-breakout. So, I just completely stopped using it. Hindi na ako magpapanggap na mag-try ng moisturizer. So, serum lang talaga nilalagay ko sa mukha ko.